This is a great example of an entire community coming together and working together.
Today, we put a flag in the ground to say that we as a community will do better and can do better. This is not an overnight solution. This is the beginning of a new vision for how we go forward for children in the Commonwealth. And there's not been a person really that's carried this flag higher this year on behalf of families in Kentucky than Julie Raque Adams.
We passed Senate Bill 8, which I believe was the most holistic approach that we had to child welfare and tackling child abuse and neglect in this state. I am super proud that the state has designated $6 million to create this Child Protection Center of Excellence at Norton Children.
In addition to that, the foundation has made a commitment to add a provider to this team, and that's a multi-year commitment to, again, advance workforce. As we said early on, it can't be done alone, and it's going to take all of the community. But right now, we're bringing $2 million towards this effort to bring us to 8.
This funding will allow us, as it has been mentioned, to become a child protection center of excellence, one of only a handful in the country and the first in Kentucky. As defined by the Children's Hospital Association, a Center of Excellence designation shows a hospital system's dedication and commitment to offer comprehensive, multidisciplinary consultation, assessment, and treatment and referral services for children and adolescents who may have been maltreated.
Today's the day we start and accelerate, and I say accelerate because the journey has been underway, but today we accelerate collaboratively better days for children and families in our community.